Welcome. I'm glad you subscribed to this YouTube program. Now you are ready to make massive money, right? With the YouTube AdSense program. This course is a course that will give you from A to Z all you need to do to start and grow. Some of the videos that I will be sharing with you, some of them will be with my face like this, and some of them will be on a computer record showing you different tools that can help you grow your YouTube channel. This is a full course A to Z on how to continue, start and make money on YouTube. Now this course is going to come with a YouTube monetized channel, and this is something that I consider massive because when I kicked up, I didn't get monetized until after 2 years. So you are getting monetized just by the beginning. So clap for Financial Paul. So why did I do this? A number of people reach out to me and say, Financial Paul, I want to have a YouTube channel, but I don't know how to get to my first 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. What can you do for me? So I started giving them advices on what to do, and then I came to think of it like, come on, why can't I just create, since I already have an idea on how to grow a first 1,000 subscriber and get monetized, why don't I have a team that can do this, and then we offer this service for people? And when I did that, people like you take advantage of it, so it's a good one. Now this is just an introduction, and I want to quickly point out some things, and then we'll go deep dive into what we have in other several videos. This is like a video one introduction. Now the YouTube program is something that is long-term in nature. If this is all what you understand from the video one, it is a good one. It's not something that you start today and you start thinking you will get $150, $500 in the next 1 month. No, but it is something that you can start, and over a period of time you can be making as much as $5,000 on a monthly basis. You must have put in the work. You understand? Like for me, this is my 3 years plus on YouTube, and I've made money on YouTube AdSense and outside YouTube AdSense. So this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money on YouTube and outside YouTube, how you can upload content, how you can do either a face YouTube channel like I am doing, showing my face, building my personal brand, or a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face. If you are the kind that you don't want to show your face, you can just make use of online tools to get your videos created. And how can you also generate content? Not everybody has the skill set of creating content. How can you generate content? So I'm going to be explaining for you ideas that can help you generate content, tools that can help you generate content and create that content into video format in case you don't want to show your face. But if you want to show your face, you want to have a face YouTube channel, I can also show you how you will generate content and then reproduce those content with a little experience added on it or little touch on it. So this course is a full-fledged course that is going to help you start your journey to making money on YouTube. I'm so glad you have clicked on this package. Welcome to the Creator Economy program. Thank you so much.